Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages. To backup WhatsApp messages, open your WhatsApp mobile application. See in this section that I currently do have a chat history, so we're going to back this up. To back up your WhatsApp messages, tap on the three dots at the top right of your screen to get more options, and then you're going to see settings. Now tap on settings. This will open the settings page. On your settings page, you're going to see options for chat, and tap on chat. The chat page, after achieve chat, you're going to see chat backup. This is where you want to come. Tap on chat backup and you have options to backup your WhatsApp messages. Settings include your Google account, which is required to backup for an Android device. This may differ if you're using an iOS device. The frequency, which is how frequent you want your chat to be backup. You can tap only backup when I tap backup daily, weekly, and monthly. So it depends on how frequently you want your chats to be backed up. You can include videos to your backup and then backup using cellular data if you do not have access to a Wi-Fi during your backup. And finally, just below this, you have end-to-end encryption backup. So with the end-to-end encryption backup, your backup will be safe even if you lose your phone. You have to secure your backup with a password or an encryption key. To back up your messages on WhatsApp, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure there's a Google account that your messages can be backed up to. So in the Google account section, you want to tap here and you can select from the emails that you have signed in into your phone. This doesn't require any extra step, only in situations where the email that you're trying to back up your conversations to isn't already signing in the Gmail of the phone. If you can't find your email in this section, all you need to do is click on Add Account, and this will load the Google application, start you signing in into your Google account. Once you successfully sign in into your Google account, you're going to find it in this section. So pick the Google account you want to back up your conversations and on message to. Once you selected, it's going to start the authentication process. Click on Allow. With that, you successfully linked your email address to WhatsApp backup. Now, once you have done that, you can come to this section and tap on backup. Because I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi right now, I'm going to tap backup. Once you concluded a backup, you're going to see the last backup time in this section. We have successfully backed up WhatsApp messages on this device. Let's go to how you can restore your WhatsApp messages. To reset your WhatsApp on Android device, all you just need to do is hold down on the application, click on app information, and you should see clear data. Tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. This will reset the application and you can sign in into WhatsApp account as new. So open WhatsApp and finish the sign-in process. And the next time you sign in into WhatsApp, you have this option to restore or transfer chats. So you want to come to this section where you say restore from backup and tap on backup, and then come to this section and tap on continue. It's immediately going to start restoring the previous conversation you've had. Tap on next to complete the process and click on OK. Finish the sign-in process. Now, if you notice that after the process of restoring your WhatsApp conversation, you see restoring media pause, tap on restoring media pause. It's going to bring you to this page. What you want to do is hit on this refresh button. It's going to ask you to resume using your cellular data. Click on resume and then immediately your backup will be restored. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.